For all those football matches we saw earlier on, it should be dry and fine, but a bit chilly for this evening. If we head across to Europe first, though, we can see there's a fair amount of activity across the more central and eastern parts of Europe, in particular through the Mediterranean, where we've seen a fair number of heavy and thundery showers turn up over the last few hours. You can see where our thunderstorm detector picks up those to the south of Rome, not too far away from the Greek islands, and also Cyprus. And we hold on to that unsettled weather for the rest of today and into tomorrow as well. Now, that big area of high pressure is giving a lot of settled weather for the northern half of Europe. Eventually things do change and we end up with a change in temperatures as well. As we move into the Easter weekend, we find for most of Europe, if you're heading abroad, it warms up quite well. The warmer hues there, the colours illustrating those temperatures getting well up into double figures. Now for ourselves, we still have high pressure in charge. That high pressure starts to weaken and slip away to the east over the next few days. As we move into the Easter weekend, these weather fronts will move across us. By Easter Sunday, I think we're likely to see some outbreaks of rain just about anywhere, and the wind's freshening up again as well. And by the early part of next week, we're back into our unsettled theme. Now, we are going to continue to see some fine, dry weather until that happens. Spring sunshine for most areas, but I think with a risk of some frost during the night time, some patchy rain in the north of Scotland. But as I say, the Easter weekend looks decidedly unsettled, certainly through Sunday. Well, back to this afternoon, as I say, some sunshine to enjoy. The only exception, the far north of Scotland again, keeping a lot of cloud, maybe the odd spot of drizzle in the wind and a fairly stiff southwesterly breeze. But temperatures in that sunshine should get up quite nicely to around 12 to 13 degrees. Through tonight, not much changes, a little bit of mist and fog forming. Certainly a cold night for many inland areas, with temperatures getting at or below freezing, so expect another frost, some more of that scraping of the ice off the car windscreens in the morning. But it also means for Thursday morning, a fine, dry day again. As I say, some mistiness around here and there. A little bit of cloud again in the north of Scotland, giving a few spots of drizzle. Good Friday, fine and dry, and I think a lot of sunshine, a little bit warmer with the winds lighter, so 15 or 16 degrees the top temperature. Easter Saturday, here comes the change, the risk of the odd shower turning up, and then I think we'll find some more persistent rain moving into Western Ireland and also the western side of Scotland. And Easter Day on Sunday looks decidedly unsettled for all of us, so make the most of the sun.